Morning, class 10th, English medium. Exercise 16.2, question number 10. Given that a 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter is dug and the earth from digging is evenly spread out to a platform by 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. A 20-meter deep well. A 20-meter deep well. Height and depth both are same. Height and depth both are same. A 20-meter deep well with diameter 7 meter. Diameter is 7 meter, then radius is equal 7 upon 2 meter. And the earth from digging is evenly spread out to a platform. This is spread out on a platform. On a platform with 22 meter by 14 meter. 22 meter by 14 meter. Find the height of the platform. We understand this question by this figure. 20 meter deep well and the soil digged from this well. The soil digged from this platform is evenly spread on this platform. If we spread the soil digged from this well on this platform, then the height of this platform increases. Again I repeat, when we spread the soil digged from this well on the platform, then the height of platform increases, and in this question we would find the height of the platform. Okay. Then when the soil is spread on this platform, then its height increases. Now you can see that this platform looks like length given, breadth given, and if its height increases, then this shape becomes cuboid. Okay. Now we would find the height of the platform. So given h1 and height h2, given depth oblique height of the well. h1 is equal to 20 meter and diameter of well is equal to 7 meter. 2 into r is equal to 7 meter. So r is equal to 7 upon 2 meter. R is equal to 7 upon 2 meter. So we can say that volume of soil digged from cylindrical well is equal volume of soil spread the platform. The volume of soil, the soil which is digged from this well, the soil which is digged from this well, which is spread out on this platform. So in these situations, the volume of soil is equal. Digged soil is equal spread soil. Volume of soil digged from cylindrical well. Volume of cylindrical well pi r square h and height h1 then h1, and volume of soil spread on the platform. Which platform? Cuboid. Which platform? Cuboid. L into B into H. Volume of cuboid. Volume of cuboid. So L into B into H. In this situation, height H2. Okay. Put these values. Put the values. Pi 22 upon 7 into r square. R 7 upon 2 square. Then 7 upon 2 into 7 upon 2 into H1 20 meter is equal volume of soil spread on the platform L 22 meter into 14 meter into H2 into H2. So cancel out 2 11 11 2 10 11 into 7 into 10 is equal 22 into 14 into H2 into H2. 11 into 7 into 10 upon 22 into 14 is equal H2. Multiplication. In this divide. 11 into 2 22. 7 into 2 14. 2 5 times. H2 is equal 5 upon 2. 5 upon 2. H2 is equal 5 upon 2. Then 2.5 meter. 2.5 meter. So the height of platform. So the height of platform is 2.5 meter answer. So the height of platform is 2.5 meter answer. Next question. Next question. 11 number. 30800 centimeter of water can be filled in a cylindrical container. The inner radius of the container is 14 centimeters. Given that inner radius of container, even radius of container R is equal 14 centimeter. R is equal 14 centimeter and 30800 centimeter cube, then volume of water can be filled in a cylindrical container, and volume of cylindrical container is equal 30800 centimeter cube. Given that volume of cylindrical container. Volume of cylindrical container. We know that the formula of volume of cylinder pi r square h. Pi r square h is equal 3080 centimeter cube. Put the values. Pi, we know that 22/7 radius r 14 centimeter. Then h, direct h is equal 3080 upon pi r square centimeter cube upon centimeter square. Okay, put the values. H is equal 3080 upon pi 22/7 into r square 40 into 14 centimeter. Now we do divide 22 one times. 30 minus 22 8. 22 into 4 88. Then 1400 1400. H is equal 100 into 7 upon 14. 2 2 250. So H is equal 50 centimeter. So H is equal 50 centimeter. And in this question, find the inner curved surface area of the container. To find inner curved surface area of container. Find inner surface area of container is equal 2 pi r. Inner curved surface area CSA of container, and container shape cylindrical. Okay, inner curved surface area of container is equal 2 pi RH. Put these values. 2 into 22/7 into radius r 14 into height 50 centimeter. 7 2 14. 22 into 2 44. 2 into 50 100 centimeter square. Then 44 into 100. 44 into 100 440 centimeter cube. 440 centimeter cube. So the inner surface area of inner curved surface area of cylindrical container is 4400 centimeter cube. Answer 440 centimeter square, because area 440 centimeter square. Answer. Okay, next question number 12. Question number 12. A hollow cylinder. In question number 12, a hollow cylinder. Okay. open at both sides, a hollow cylinder. A hollow cylinder okay. A hollow cylinder open at both ends has a thickness of 2 cm. Given that thickness of cylinder is equal to 2 cm. If the inner diameter, next, inner diameter of hollow cylinder, inner diameter of hollow cylinder is equal 14 centimeter. 14 centimeter. Inner diameter means inner radius. 2 into R2 is equal 14 centimeter. Then R2 is equal 14 upon 2 is equal 7 centimeter. Then R2 is equal 7 centimeter. And height of the hollow cylinder. Height of the hollow cylinder H is equal 26 centimeter. H is equal 26 centimeter. Then calculate the total surface area of hollow cylinder. Total surface area of hollow cylinder. Thickness 2 centimeter. Thickness 2 centimeter. This type of cylinder, hollow cylinder. Okay, understand? Inner diameter, inner radius R2 is equal 7 centimeter and thickness of cylinder 2 centimeter. Thickness is equal 2 centimeter. Thickness is equal 2 centimeter. Then so the outer, inner radius given, so the outer radius R1 is equal, outer radius R1, outer radius R1 is equal inner radius plus thickness outer radius this radius, inner radius plus thickness, inner radius 7, inner radius 7 plus thickness 2, then R1 is equal 9 centimeter. R1 is equal 9 centimeter. R1 is equal 9 centimeter. Hollow cylinder. So now then find the total surface area of hollow cylinder. So total surface area of hollow cylinder. Erase this. So next step, total surface area of hollow cylinder. Formula: total surface area of hollow cylinder is equal to 2 pi r1 plus r2. 2 pi r1 plus r2, bracket h plus r1 minus r2, bracket h plus r1 minus r2, and height h is equal to 26 centimeter. So put the values: 2 into pi 22 upon 7 into r1 plus r2 9 plus 7 into h 26 plus 9 minus 7 centimeter square. 2 into 22 upon 7, 9 plus 7 16 into 9 minus 7 2, 28 centimeter square. 7 4 times 22 into 2 44, 16 into 4 64 centimeter square. 64 is multiplied by 44. 4 into 4 16, 6 into 4 24, 256 256 1 at 6 6 or 5 11, carry 1 5 to 7, 2 at 16 centimeter square. 2 at 16 centimeter square. So the total surface area of hollow cylinder is 2 at 16 centimeter square. Answer: 2 at 16 centimeter square. Answer. Thank you.